to another video of Art and Craft by Aarna. Today we are making a cute bookmark. For this you need 4 colors. I use poster colors. You can use watercolors as well as sketch pens. Fevicol or any kind of glue. A punch machine. This is optional. Ruler. Scissors. Thread, 4 ice cream sticks, pencil, brush and a black sketch pen, 2 googly eyes and a thick paper measuring 4 by 60. Now let's get into the craft. So now we are going to paint our ice cream sticks. Now that we've finished coloring our ice cream sticks, we can stick them on our paper. I've left a 1.5 centimeter gap. Now let's stick it. Now we are going to measure the center like this. Now we are going to draw a triangle. And now we are going to cut it out. Now we are going to take a sketch pen and draw like this. Now we have done, and we have to flip it over like so and stick the eyes. Now let it dry. Now that it has dried, we are going to draw a smile. Give it a cute little smile and you're almost done. Now, this step is optional. If you want, you can do it. We are going to punch a hole with our punching machine over here. Like so. Now we will put a thread inside the hole. Like this. And now our bookmark is ready. Now I'm off to reading. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And also leave a comment on what to do next. Bye-bye.